Yo, what's up everybody, and let me tell you, I am so hyped to be heading to Brazil. This place is legendary. We're talking beaches that go on forever, cities pulsing with life, music everywhere you turn. It's gonna be epic. But, and this is a big but, we gotta keep it real. Brazil's incredible, but it's also got a rep for phone theft, especially in the bigger cities. I don't want that to be the story of your trip, right? Neither do I. So, before you even think about packing your bags, stick with me because I'm about to break down some seriously essential phone safety tips. We're gonna make sure you experience the magic of Brazil without losing your most valuable travel companion. Alright, rule number 1, and I cannot stress this enough, put that phone away. Seriously, when you're in crowded areas, markets, festivals, you name it, your phone is a target if it's just chilling in your pocket. Time to ditch the easy target and level up your security game. We're talking crossbody phone pouches or anti-theft bags. Think of it like your phone's personal bodyguard. Look for bags that have zippers. The harder to get into, the better. And bonus points if they've got RFID blocking pockets, which add an extra layer of protection against digital pickpocketing. Trust me, it's worth it for the peace of mind. Okay, picture this. You're strolling down a lively street in Rio, soaking in the vibes, and BAM! You whip out your phone to check directions, and the next thing you know, it's gone. Sound familiar? Yeah, it's a classic. Listen up because this is crucial. Avoid, and I repeat, avoid using your phone on the open street. Those motorbike thieves are quick, man. They'll snatch it before you can say carnival. Need to make a call or check your map, duck into a shop or a cafe. And when you do have to use your phone in public, keep those calls short and discreet. Be present, enjoy the moment, and save the scrolling for later. Alright, tech talk time. Before you even set foot on Brazilian soil, we're gonna make sure your phone is locked down tight. This is like locking your front door before you go on vacation, but for your digital life. First up, enable that fingerprint or Face ID. It's an easy step that adds a huge layer of security. Next, activate Find My Phone. This is your lifeline if your phone decides to take an unexpected detour. If it goes missing, you can track its location or even remotely wipe all your data. Speaking of data, make sure you've got a strong password on your lock screen. Trust me, you don't want to make it easy for the wrong hands to access your personal info. Chapter 4. The Backup Phone. Play travel like a boss. Want to know a pro traveler secret? It's called the Backup Phone Play. Here's the deal. Instead of rocking your expensive smartphone everywhere, grab yourself a cheap local SIM card when you arrive in Brazil. Use that SIM in an old phone. You know, the one that's been gathering dust in your drawer, and boom! You're connected without making your main phone a target. Plus, using a local SIM is way easier on your wallet when it comes to roaming charges. It's a win-win. Chapter 5. Trust your gut. Street Smarts 101. Listen, nobody knows the streets better than you do. If a place feels off, it probably is. Don't ignore those gut feelings. Stay alert, especially at night or in areas that are less crowded. Keep your head up, make eye contact, and walk with purpose. Confidence is key. And hey, don't be afraid to ask locals for advice. They know the best spots to hit and the ones to avoid. They're your best resource for staying safe and having an authentic Brazilian experience. Chapter 6. Stay safe, explore more. Brazil awaits. Alright guys, we've covered a lot of ground here. But remember, I'm not trying to scare you off. Brazil is an incredible country with so much to offer. By taking these simple precautions, you're setting yourself up for an amazing, worry-free trip. And that's what it's all about, right? Experiencing new cultures, trying amazing food, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So get out there, explore, and soak it all in. Just keep your phone safe while you're at it. Until next time, stay adventurous. Brazil, you've been amazing. And to everyone watching, thanks for coming along on this adventure. Remember, staying safe means you're free to enjoy every single moment of your trip. Now I want to hear from you. Which safety tip was your absolute must-have? Hit me up in the comments below, and while you're at it, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you never miss out on more epic travel tips and adventures. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep exploring.